Hi everyone, welcome to the second part of the video where I'm going to show you a couple more examples and our key facts at the end of the video. So let's do the same thing with this question. Let's solve using the quadratic formula. But look at the question, it says if possible, solve if it's possible. So let's have a look at this equation and see why it may not be possible. Alright, let's let's write the quadratic formula first. Now let's label our A, B and C. Plug it in here. So now I've got x equals fraction. Remember, you have to start with minus. We've got minus, b is 3. Now, let's put all of this in the calculator. So I've got minus 3 plus or minus. Let's find out what that is. This one, I get minus 7. Okay. And at the bottom I've got a. Now, can you see why this is a problem? When we put this in the calculator, we got minus 7. The problem with that is you can never have a negative number inside a square root. And if that's the case, there is no solution like we learned previously. So, the answer to this question, if you come across this situation, the answer is no solution. Now, let's have a look at the next example here. Now, when you have x in the denominator of the fraction, you want to multiply it across. If I multiply this across, this becomes x bracket that. Okay? So you don't just do x times 2, you got to multiply to the whole thing by putting in a bracket first. Let's just expand the bracket now.
So this is 2x, and this is minus x squared.
Once you've got to this situation, let's bring everything to one side. So this becomes 0, because remember that's what I want. We want everything to make it equal to 0. But if I bring this minus 5 to the other side, it becomes plus 5. Now, once we've done that, you want to rearrange this so that x squared comes first, including the minus, so minus x squared. And the second one, that's a plus 2x or a plus 2x. And the third one, plus 5. You always want to write it so that x squared comes first, then x, then the number without x. Okay? That's equal to 0. Once you've set that up, you're ready to go with the formula. So remember this one, if there's no number, it means 1. So that's your A, that's your B, that's your C. So let's plug it into the formula and see what we get. So x equals, big fraction. Once again, starting with minus 2. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay, now, this is still simplifiable, so let's simplify that. So,
I've got x equals 2, minus 2 plus or minus.
square number that goes into 24 is 4. So 4 times 6 over minus 2. That's the same thing as writing
Minus 2 plus or minus. This is 2. Continue on with root 6 over minus 2.
Can you see what else we could do further from here? 2's are common. So let's take the 2 out. So if I take minus 2 out, okay,
I've got 1 plus or minus square root of 6 over minus 2.
and then as you can see, we can just cancel these 2 out. Which leaves just
Equals 1 plus or minus root 6.
We've got 2 answers, as you can see. 1 plus root 6, 1 minus root 6. Right. So the main thing that I really want to take away from this, besides the set, is the key facts. I want you to understand this new word, the discriminant. Discriminant means
The number inside the square root.
and they give a little symbol for this discriminant, and they give it a little triangle. So this is the number, or the symbol, to represent the number inside the square root. And we've learned here, if you get a negative number inside a square root, there is no solution. So that's one of the key facts. Okay? So girls, if the number inside the square root, or if the discriminant is less than 0, you'll get no solution like you've seen over there. If the number inside the square root is bigger than 0, like 24 inside the square root here, you'll get 2 solutions, just like you can see here, 1 plus or minus root 6. Now, if the number inside the square root is equal to 0, you'll only get one answer. Alright, so those are some of the facts that I would like you girls to remember, and now try the rest of the exercise. Thanks.